Good morning, everyone. My name is Richard. I'm here at the Bonnet House this morning, and I noticed when we came in this morning that we have this beautiful pigeon orchid that is blooming. One of the unique features about the pigeon orchid is that it blooms usually about 10 days after a storm. The blooms are delicate, they're very sweet smelling, and they're very pretty. The other neat feature about this particular orchid is you'll notice that there are kikis that grow on it. So it's very easy to remove a kiki and propagate it onto another mount or so forth. Here we have another one that is just about getting ready to bloom, and you can see the new blooms coming out up here. One of the things you don't want to do is you don't want to clip off the ends that are at the end of the orchid stem that looks like a stick. And the reason for that is, as you can see here we have a bloom or continued growth with the orchid. So just let these grow more naturally and let them fall off the pieces that need to fall off.